Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about Python program for checking whether the given year is a leap year or not. For that purpose, first of all, we have to read the year from the keyboard by using input function by using the following statement. Year is equal to int of input of enter any year. If year modulus operator 4 equal to 0 and is nothing but logical and. Year modulus operator 100 not equal to 0, logical or. Year modulus operator 400 is equal to 0. Here we have to put colon at the end of the if statement. Print given entered year is a leap year else print given entered year is not a leap year. This is the program. First of all, we have to execute this program. After that, I am explaining the logic. First, we have to save the program. Leap year. So then this program can be saved as leapyear.py. Okay. Then we have to run the program. Click on the run and go to the run module F5. Enter any year. I am entering, for example, 2024. Given entered year is a leap year. How we are getting 2024 is a leap year? Now we have to observe here. 2024 is divided with the 4. We are getting the remainder value is 0. So this condition is true. And 2024 modulus operator 100 not equal to 0. Whenever 2024 is divided with 100, we are getting 24 remainder. So 24 not equal to 0. So now this condition is true and this condition is true. So true, logical and true. That is nothing but true. Logical or 2024 modulus operator 400 equal to 0. Whenever 2024 is divided with 400, we are not getting the remainder value 0. Now this is false. This condition is true and this condition is false. True, logical, or false is nothing but true. Whenever this condition is true, hence we can say that given entered year is a leap year. Okay. Otherwise, given entered year is not a leap year. Okay. Now, once again, we are executing the program. Entered any year. For example, I am giving 2022. Given entered year is not a leap year. How we are getting 2022 is not a leap year? Now, 2022 modulus operator 4 equal to 0. Whenever 2022 is divided with 4, we are not getting the remainder value 0. So that this condition is false. Next, here 2022 modulus operator 100, that means 2022 is divided with 100, we are not getting the remainder value 0. So that this condition is true. This is false, this is true. False, logical, and true. That is nothing but false. Logical or 2022 modulus operator 400 equal to 0. That is nothing but whenever 2022 is divided with 400, we are not getting the remainder value 0. So this is also false. This entire thing is false. This is also false. False, logical, or false is nothing but false. Hence, we can say that go to the else part, print given entered year is not a leap year. Okay. Now, go to the first line. Year is equal to int of input of enter any year. So, we are entering any year number from the keyboard. That value can be read by using the input function in the form of a string that can be converted into integer by using this int. After converting into integer, that can be assigned to the variable year. Now, if year modulus operator 4 equal to 0 and year modulus operator 100 not equal to 0, whatever the year value that can be entered from the keyboard, that year value can be divided with 4. Then if the remainder value equal to 0, this condition is true. Here modulus operator always returns the remainder value. So given year is divided with 4, if the remainder value equal to 0, this condition is true. If the given year value is divided with 100, if the remainder value not equal to 0, this condition is true. Otherwise, this condition is false. Okay. In between them, we have to use the logical AND. So logical AND always returns true value if both conditions are true. This condition is true and this condition is true. True, logical, and true always returns true. In all the remaining cases, this condition is false. Next one. Here, given year value is divided with 400, if the remainder value equal to 0, then this condition is true. Otherwise, this condition is false. So this is one expression and this is another expression. In between them, we have to use logical OR. What is the functionality of logical OR? If both conditions are false, this entire thing is false, this entire thing is false, false logical OR, false is nothing but false. In all the remaining cases, it is true. So in this way, we have to find out whether the condition is true or false. If this condition is true, we can say that given entered year is a leap year. If this condition is false, we can say that given entered year is not a leap year.